What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We are out and about today. This is like one good day of weather before 7 days of below freezing, and we are at the park. There we go, got it. Because I want to play with my new toy. We got ourselves a brand new Mavic Air 2, and I'm pretty excited about it. I've been trying to use it. I actually tried a couple times to use it and I couldn't figure the stupid thing out, so I had to go on good old YouTube and watch a few videos to see how to make it follow me and how I could use this better with, you know, the type of videos that we do for the magazine and for the YouTube channel. So we're going to play with this today, and you're going to come along with me as I learn how to Mavic fly thing. I don't know. Let's set it up outside and we'll see if we can't get it to at least take off. Alright, so I guess I got it turned on and it connected right away like that. That's a million times better than my other one, which you had to do the dance of the DJI and go around in circles and you look like an idiot. This is way better, so... Oh, there it goes. It took off. So they say get it back a little ways, and then they say to draw a box around what you want. How to lock target. Got it. Oh, I got it. And then you do active track, and you go parallel. Well, I gotta put you inside. Okay, and then parallel, and we say go. So it should be following me, and it should be, well, it is, and it should be smart enough to not crash into trees or whatever. And that's why we're in the park, and I've got it up kind of high. Hey, it's working. I don't know why I couldn't get it to work the other day. I was trying to shoot Gary's bus. I'm gonna move you over here, like that. I was trying to shoot Gary's bus the other day, and I couldn't get the thing to work. It wouldn't follow. It was lame. I had to do it by hand. I wish I could have got this to go. It's working really, really good. Drive around a little bit, and I'm going to change views and we can see if we can make it do something else. Looks pretty good. Goes pretty fast too. And we're going about 15 and it's keeping up, but I've seen it on the YouTubes there go up to like 48 miles an hour. That's pretty stinking fast for a little drone. Let's pull in this parking lot. Still with me. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna stop this camera and bring it back down. Let's see if we can get it to do something else. Wow, that's pretty awesome. This is so much better than the Mavic Air 1 that I had. I think I've kind of figured it out. You know, we got the follow me parallel mode. We've got the, I don't know what they call it, point of interest mode, where it kind of swings around as we're driving around. That's pretty sweet. We've got parallel mode where it's supposed to go on the side. I didn't really get it to do that, but I think it's just how I had it set up before I took off. There is a way to make it run next to me as I go, so I'm gonna have to play with that a little bit more. We got the rocket ship shot, we got the droney shot, we got the little planet, you know, shot. You know, that's pretty sweet, man. I dig it. This is gonna make some pretty good videos. I really like the fact that you turn it on and you turn on the remote and it's done. It automatically connects. You don't have to dance around the stupid compass dance to program the compass like the other one. This is gonna mean I'm gonna get a lot better shots. So this is fantastic. We got this thing, we got that other new camera too that's like basically the same camera just on a stick. And then I got the 360 camera. So we're gonna have some great videos for you guys coming up soon. We're gonna have a freeze in a couple days. Maybe we'll get some more snow. I'll go out and play in the snow and I'll have the drone chase me around in the snow. That'll be pretty cool too. So just a little quick dumb one today just to play with a new toy. You know, I had the decal girl sent me the Herbert, what do they call it? Herbert the tumultuous insect or something, but it's basically Herbie. You know, Herbie decals for there. That's pretty great. And then I got some cool filters that we'll try out later. So, you know, just me showing off, playing with my toy. Get you a shirt down at the link below. Sean's gonna put the new link down there. Check out all the friends. Listen to VW Radio. Vic Whitehouse. Oh my God, we just did another interview with her. It was amazing. It was so great. I love talking to her and doing their show. That's Rattling Dubs on Sundays. She has the Pedal to the Metal Rock show, and you can catch that all on vwradio.com. And then there's Mixcloud links. I'll throw a couple of those Mixcloud links down below so you can catch them on there if you're not up at 4 a.m. on a Sunday to listen live. Some people were, though. She said there was some U.S. people listening, so thank you to you guys. Check us out at Volks America Magazine, Volksmania Magazine. Get your subscriptions, volksamerica.com. Very important. We just sent number 9 to the printer, and it is better than ever. I mean, every time we come out with one, it's like better than the last one. I'm really, really happy with this one. This is the one with Isaac on the cover, the little kid and all the parts and stuff. So get you subscription to that one. And then thanks for watching.